guys, what's going on? I'm in my basement, pouring like a bitch outside. So there's an assload of water coming in there, and all of it. Sun's vacuuming it up. It's coming through my ceiling fan in the kitchen. It's coming in the windows upstairs on the second floor. So yeah. It's all in the addition. It's like 2 inches of water down there. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep it down a little, away from this closet right there. There's all that shit right there from here. Fuck, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry, you had that big problem. Check that out. Just push it out. Push it out.
Push it out?
What? Kyle.
Yeah.
We're recording and we have it upstairs.
Still. You got us upstairs?
Yeah, it's better to do it upstairs.
Well, now it's full of water.
Bring it up.
Alright. Alright, gotta go, guys. Alright, guys, so now I'm in the addition. This right here, it's water pouring out of it. It's still pouring outside. And yeah, my whole kitchen has a bunch of coolers and buckets and shit to catch all the water that's coming from the lights and the ceiling fan. And my dad's in there vacuuming it out. So, it's a good amount of water here. It's not really building up. It seems to be going through, I guess. That's my brother's room right up there. A bunch of water in there. Here's all their tools and stuff. It's all wet on the floor. It's a good thing they put most of them on these 2x6s. So yeah, all this is water right there. So all that. And all that. So I'm all wet now because it was pouring when I ran out here, and then I climbed up this ladder. Yeah, you can see it dripping right there. Shit, that's a lot of water. Where the hell is it coming from? There somewhere, I guess. 'Cause that blue tarp is dry. And yeah, you can see part of my roof there, right under the blue tarp. So yeah, this really sucks. The framers won't be back till Monday. So yeah, hopefully it'll dry out by then. So yeah, now I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna run for it. So yeah, see you later, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.